trying to figure out what to actually talk about today. It's been extremely hot and humid, and for all the rain we had last week, we've had none this week. And of course, raised beds and the in-ground plants dry out much faster. We certainly aren't in drought or anything, but everything needs a good drink. So I have sprinkler set up to run here and there now, and I will go back and hand water in a few spots. The garden's been doing extremely well. I can't complain. I've been eating out of the garden every day. So I guess we'll just do a little garden tour. When I travel, I'm always stopping at little nurseries or garden centers along the way. This lovely little flower I picked up on Route 66 on a cross-country drive about 3 years ago, and I just love it. It's actually called Route 66, so I had to have it. I need to get in here and pull my onions. They are ready, so maybe once I'm done watering in this section, I'll get those out of there. So I just pulled the onions, not bad. Planted these in April, which is fine. They didn't get too big, but that's okay. They're perfect for using with my pickles. I love to put onions in with the pickles. So these onions are different, and they're growing in the raised bed. A lot of weeds. Let's see. Yeah, they're getting some size on them. So we'll let these guys go a little longer. And we'll get some more planted towards fall. But I honestly think I'm just growing for me, that I might have enough. And this is the garlic I put in this spring, which we may pull, let it dry, and then replant in the fall. It's more of a fall crop than a summer crop. Then I can use this raised bed for something else. It was 90 today. So I'm just amazed at how well the lettuce is holding up. I had a nice salad with the lettuce and the peas and a cucumber and a pepper for dinner. Everything's planted, all gone. One little tiny pine tree I need to water and move out of here, but everything else is gone. And now I can start using the space to dry things. There's my parsley seed I saved, and some daffodil bulbs I had to move, and a kind of little lemon thyme. So I'll use this space for drying things going forward. This is the best time of the day. Evening light really is quite lovely. I know I have friends who keep wanting me to be in the videos. I'm working on it. My niece said she would come help me. We're just trying to figure out when that's going to be. These old ladders, I think they just have charm. They have no value as ladders anymore. So I actually use them at the end of rows that I have things climbing on. This happens to be my muscadine grapes. But these ladders are fun. Things climb on them. The cats climb on them. Let's see, I think I saw some grapes in here the other day. Yeah. This is the first year I'm getting muscadines. They don't normally grow here in my area of New Jersey. I had some years ago. The goat ate them. And I was in Georgia on my road trip, and I thought, let's try it again. So for about 3 years now, I've had a lot of vines, and I was told it could take 3 to 4 years for them to actually produce grapes. It looks like we might actually get grapes this year. Thank you for joining me on my garden tour. As you can see, the vegetable garden is full speed ahead. So are the weeds. I will have many things to start canning very soon. But this weekend will be all about berries, blueberries and cherries, time to get those canned. Thank you.